In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to recover deleted Instagram story drafts. Begin by opening the Instagram app and swipe right to the home screen. Check the bottom left corner for any saved story drafts. If your drafts isn't in Instagram, check your phone's gallery. Look for the media, like photos or videos used in the draft. And to download your Instagram drafts or data, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the three lines on the top right, then select Settings and then Privacy. Select Download Data and Request Download. Instagram will email a link to your download data within 48 hours. Your story drafts will be included in that file. And that's it, guys. Follow these steps to hopefully recover your lost story draft. If you have questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.